visuals that have emerged that show flames coming out of the Delhi-Leh flight mid-air. Now, this is every flyer's worst nightmare, where fire is seen shooting from the engine. This is the Delhi-Leh SpiceJet flight, where, remember, it was forced to come back to Delhi. It's a SpiceJet aircraft, and on camera, we can see the moment of this emergency, the flight horror actually unfolding. This is amid, remember, a lot of concerns that have come in on the air safety in the country.
It is too soon to understand what went wrong with the engine, but as we can see in the visuals that Times Now is running, Times Now has the access to, that you can clearly see what passengers might have gone through with in regards to what has happened in the Delhi-Leh flight. So yeah, this could be very traumatic for passengers as well. They must be very scary with regards to what has happened. But clearly, what we are learning through sources is that DGCA will probe into the matter, will look into the matter as to if there was a fault with the airplane, what went wrong. So all these things will be looked into account.
Okay, all right, Shefali, thank you for joining us with those details. Extremely scary. Now, a probe has been ordered to find out what actually went wrong. But the good news, of course, is that the passengers were all deboarded. They were brought back to Delhi and they deboarded the flight. But the scare continues. Passengers will, of course, ask questions on what went wrong. Why were checks not conducted before they took the flight?